Thank you for the question, and perhaps just right at the beginning of the question to acknowledge there are about 30 WASPI campaigners in the gallery who are, I'm sure, very welcome here and made a determined campaign over the years.
The 1950s-born women denied their state pensions still await justice. I suggested to you last year that WASPI also stands for waiting and still pleading for integrity. They should not still be waiting. It's a scandal that the UK government has dragged its feet for so long that women have died before getting the money they're owed. And they are due financial redress. I trust that the Ombudsman will recommend awarding payments of the highest level possible, but Westminster has the final say. So I'd urge you, please, to maintain pressure at this critical time. Any proposal to pay these women off with a sum that's less than what they're owed would go against the Equality Act and would flout international law, including CEDAW. So what recent discussions have you had, please, and will you have, to demand that this wrongdoing be made right and to correct the imbalance that allowed nearly 10 million men to claim free national insurance contributions from the 1980s right up until 2018, whilst 50s-born women were stopped from claiming anything? It is direct discrimination, and in the week of International Women's Day, these women deserve certainty and to be given hope that they will finally see justice.
Can I commend the member for consistently raising this point in this chamber? As the member knows, not so long ago written to the Ombudsman, specifically raising those particular points, but raising the importance of this matter being expedited. We've had a response, and of course the issue is still being considered by the Ombudsman. We'll continue to monitor what is happening and continuing to make, where appropriate, representations. Can I just say, in respect of the issue of the compensation that I think we all feel is due and would be just, is that it should be two things. Firstly, that all the women who've been affected should be compensated for the economic loss, the specific economic loss that they have suffered. They should also be compensated for the impact this has had on their lives. I doubt whether there's anyone, I doubt very much whether there is anyone in this chamber who doesn't know someone who's been affected by this and who isn't concerned about it. So extensive has been the impact. I think it is also important that there are posthumous payments that are made, because so many people have passed away before seeing any form of justice or rectification as what has happened. And it is important that that is recognised, and the estates of those people and their families also see that that justice is delivered for those who are no longer here to receive that.
Question, Delyth.